Hi everyone and welcome back. Okay, so I've been busy working on this graphite drawing project. It took quite a while actually to complete this one. I made 22 videos for a full lesson over on my Patreon channel, and the reference photo was actually sent in by one of the members. It's actually a great photo, really lovely place. It's Castle Combe in the Cotswolds, which is a very lovely part of England, and it's very popular with artists and photographers and tourists, etc. And for good reason too. You know, it's very picturesque around there, lots to see. You know, if you like these old sorts of villages and this old-fashioned way of life, the Cotswolds really is a lovely place to visit. I haven't actually been. It's actually on my bucket list to go and visit, but it's such a popular place. You're always seeing photos of it popping up online, and lots of other artists draw and paint this scene as well. Now, the materials that I actually used for this were just my usual drawing materials, really, nothing special. I used some A4 Daler Rowney smooth heavyweight paper, a selection of Pentel mechanical pencils, and a small tin of Faber-Castell 9000 woodcase pencils, a selection of erasers, blenders, that kind of thing. So nothing out of the ordinary really. So if you wanted to draw along with this, there's no special kit needed at all, but you will need lots of time. This one does take quite a long time to do, it really does. As you can see, there's lots of different textures going on there. You know, we've got the foliage, we've got the roof tiles, the stonework on the buildings, the grass in the foreground, the reflections in the water, the white water there and everything. So it's quite a lot of textures, a lot of detail in this one. So it's not going to be a quick sketch. So if you fancy drawing along with this one, like I say, there's 22 videos over on my Patreon channel to accompany this, all in real time, no voiceovers or anything like that. I'll leave links to Patreon in the end screen cards and in the description below as well. And just to quickly let you know, it only costs £3.50 a month, and you get access to thousands of videos and lots of drawing projects like this. Really good value. Okay, so I'll leave you to watch the last few minutes in peace, and I hope you enjoy the finished drawing. If you do, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. It always helps the channel. Okay, so take care everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.